It's good to see you again. So we're going to be working on page 7 of Essential Elements, book number 1 for flute. And we're going to be looking closer at numbers 20 through 26. So let's start at the top of the page. At the top of the page, there's a whole note and a whole rest. So the difference between both of these is a whole note gets 4 beats of sound. 1, 2, 3, 4. And a whole rest gets 4 beats of silence. 1, 2, 3, 4, no playing. When we're playing a whole note, especially for flute, sometimes it can be hard to hold and sustain a note for that many counts. Just do your very best. Know that the smaller the aperture is here in your embouchure, the longer you'll be able to hold out a note. So a whole note would sound like this. Okay, and in order to do that, I'm making the smallest possible aperture or opening in my embouchure. Okay, let's start at the very beginning, and number 20 happens to be a rhythm rap. So we're gonna clap and count to start with. Get ready. 2, together, count and clap. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4. Rest, 2, ready to play. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, together, repeat. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then rest, 2, ready to play. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4. Now we can actually skip kind of a step because this one is the same exact thing as number 21. So number 21, we just counted and clapped. Yay! So now what we're going to do is we're going to say the letters and move our fingers as we say the letters for 21. Let's make sure we are going a little bit slower, maybe at 70 here. Here we go. Okay, so we're going to count and clap with our fingers. Go ahead and get your fingers ready, and we're gonna start with an E flat, which is 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, E flat key. Also, make sure that you're not shifting your left hand. I see a lot of players shifting their left hand and doing this. You want to make sure that you're doing this because that banana key goes to the pinky, okay? So always have, and we've got an open space here and an open space pad here, okay? So very good. And then we have 2 and 1, 2, 3 and our E flat key here. So just make sure you've set up your fingers for success, and we're going to start with an E flat note. All right, let's say the letters. Here we go. And move our fingers nice and slow and go. E flat, D, 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 C. Then rest, 2, ready to play. B flat, D, D, E flat. Do it again, let's try it. E flat, we hold it out. D, 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 C, 2, 3, 4, off. 2, together, B flat. B flat, D, D, E flat. Very good, I think we've got it, excellent. So now we're going to play it all the way through. Let's try it together. Get your fingers set, 2, together and play. 1, 2, together and play. Awesome. Okay, let's go to 22, split decision. Split decision. So you have a decision to make. You can actually play A part or B part. And this happens to be a duet. So we have two parts playing at the same time, and that's what a duet is, two players playing at the same time. So what we're going to do first is learn A, and then we're going to learn B, and then you can choose what you're going to play throughout the video. All right, so we're going to start with A part. We're going to clap and count it first. Let's go ahead and try it. 1, 2, together, count and clap. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4. That is the A part. Now we're going to move our fingers and say the letters. So put your fingers down for B flat. That's where we're going to start. And then from there we go to C. So just looking ahead a little bit. Let's get started. Saying the letters, moving your fingers. Together, go. B flat, B flat, B flat, B flat, C, 2, 3, 4. D, 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 E flat. F, 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 and rest. Move your fingers to D. D, B, C, C, B flat. Okay, now we're gonna play the A part. Here we go. Set, 2, together, B flat. Good job. So you can always make the tempo slower. Just go to tempo in Smart Music and change the number in the top left-hand corner to 70 or 60. Or if you're in Essential Elements, choose the blue slow button and it will take it a little slower for you. Now we're going to look at part B and clap and count. Ready? Clap and count part B. 2, together, count and clap. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Rest. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now we're going to say the letters and move our fingers. So we're going to start with B flat. 1, 1, thumb, and E flat key. Here we go. 2, together, say the letters. B flat, C, 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 D, E flat, E flat, E flat, E flat. Rest, but move your fingers. Oh, we don't have to. E flat, E flat, E flat, E flat, D, 2 beats, C, 2 beats, E flat. Okay, let's try it. We're gonna move our fingers and play this time. Remember your aperture, make it as small as you can so you can sustain those notes a little bit longer. 4 counts for these whole notes. Ready? Good job. All right. Listening to the different sections. So we're going to listen to all the different sections and count and clap and try to play along with them. Here we go. So we have percussion, and we have brass, and we have woodwinds. So 3 different families in the band. Do you know what family your instrument belongs to? It's the woodwind family. Yay! So make sure that you are playing during the woodwind part so that we hear the different group together, and we don't want to play during anybody else's part because we have to hear that section. So pretty cool. Percussion is first. Let's count and clap first. 1, 2, together, count and clap. 2, 3, 4. our fingers and see if we can go up. It's kind of a scale, it's a pentatonic scale. B flat, C, D, E flat. So we're trying to move our fingers one note per beat. Here we go. Say the letters with me. 2, together say the letters. Percussion. B flat, C, D, E flat. Percussion again, we're getting ready to move. F, E flat, D, C. Percussion. D, F, B flat. Then we start over. B flat, C, D, E flat. Percussion. F, E flat, D, C. Percussion. D, F, B flat. Okay, now we're gonna play. See if you can play all the notes. 2 together and listen. So move your fingers though, get ready. Ready for F? All right, so next is 25. Next is 25, and this is Lightly Row. And Lightly Row is a really fun tune because we kind of know how this one goes, right? So let's go ahead and count and clap with our soundtrack. Get your hands ready, rest your instrument on your lap, and let's count. 1, 2, together, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4. Okay, next we have to figure out our fingers and the notes on the lines and spaces. Now hopefully we're getting faster saying the lines and spaces, and we know the notes as fast as we know our own name. If you don't, I really highly recommend you practicing your lines and spaces, even making flashcards and learning how to read those notes super fast and the fingerings fast too. You can try that at home. Remember, you can slow down the tempo in Essential Elements, Smart Music, or even this video on YouTube so that you can practice it slower and then speed up your fingers and go faster, okay? Let's try it nice and slow. F, D, D, E flat, C, C, B flat, C, D, E flat, F, 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 D, D, E flat, C, C, B flat, D, F, F, B flat. Now C, 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 D, E flat, D, 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 E flat, F, F, D, D, E flat, C, C, B flat, D, F, F, B flat. Okay, so practice moving your fingers to the beat. And again, if you need to take it slower, that's okay. Go nice and slow through it so that your fingers can kind of memorize where to go. All right, we call that kinesthetic memory. Let's try it now with our instruments. Set. go to number 26. Number 26 is an essential elements quiz, and it asks for you to visualize the bar lines along the staff, okay? So we're going to be kind of figuring out where the lines would go for the bar lines and how it would divide up and organize the measures, okay? So let's count and clap because that's the easiest way to see where the beats are. We're gonna start at the very beginning and count and clap together. This is number 26. 1, 2, together, go. 1, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Rest, do it again. 1, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4. 1, 3, 4. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. All right, so we had some rest in there. Hopefully you were counting with me and we were clapping at the right times. Now we're going to say the letters. Here we go. 2, together, say the letter. B flat, C, D, E flat, D, F, E flat, D, E flat, F, E flat, D, D. Rest 2 beats. C, E flat, D, C, B flat. Let's do it again. B flat, C, D, E flat, D, F, F, E flat, D, E flat, F, E flat, D, D, C, E flat, D, C, B flat. Okay, now this time we're going to play it. Get set. B flat. Awesome! Hopefully you had fun with this video. Keep practicing, and I look forward to hearing you either playing at school or online. Bye, guys.